I lost the first eye and I didn't know when I lost it. We never had a record of when I lost it. I just knew I was having trouble with that eye. And around 16, 17, rubbing the right eye, I realized I was not seeing the board. And I realized I was totally blind in that eye. But I lived like this for years. I lived like that for years and I didn't know. When I came to America, they tried and they did surgery and they tried to repair that eye, but it never worked out. Unfortunately, in my 30s, I lost a second eye, and I had three girls that I vowed that I will take care of regardless
Yeah.
of what's happening. Mhm. I love accessibility. Um, it gives you a freedom. I really would love to say that. And as a handicapped person, or they call us handicapped, okay, we have a disability, but it doesn't mean we are not able to do a lot of things. And once we have the accessibility of the cane, of the talking watch, your life just becomes real, and that's what we know. And it just keep going. You don't ever give up.